Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated release of the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL, a machine that continues the legacy of luxury, precision, and power. The Maybach SL has always been synonymous with performance, and the 2025 model is no exception. With a refreshed design, powerful features, and a focus on elegance and innovation, it's a head-turner built to impress. Let's take a closer look at what's new and what makes this car a must-see for any automotive enthusiast. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL immediately catches the eye with its sleek and aggressive design. While staying true to its iconic silhouette, the new model features more refined and aerodynamic bodywork. Mercedes-Benz has sharpened the car's front-end styling with a more angular headlight design that gives it a futuristic look. Signature Maybach details like the chrome grille and monoblock wheels add a bold statement of prestige. The color schemes have also been updated, giving drivers a choice between classic hues and vibrant options. Inside, the cabin features premium leather, ambient lighting, and handcrafted trim, creating a luxurious space. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, Mercedes-Benz maintains the Maybach SL's reputation for blistering speed. The 2025 model is powered by a 3,982 cubic centimeters twin-turbo V8 engine, fine-tuned for better power delivery and throttle response. Expect around 585 horsepower with torque that kicks in early for thrilling acceleration. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, the Maybach SL offers a smooth yet aggressive feel. What sets the 2025 model apart is its improved electronic suite. It comes with a more advanced ride-by-wire system, updated traction control, launch control, and a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. This results in an exhilarating experience on track and road alike. Safety and technology. Mercedes-Benz hasn't overlooked safety or driver comfort. The 2025 Maybach SL includes a suite of modern tech, multiple driving modes, a TFT display for vehicle data, and improved ABS for maximum braking performance. Advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking enhance safety and ease. The refined suspension ensures that whether you're cruising or cornering at speed, the Maybach SL stays stable and responsive. It also includes air suspension with customizable damping for a smooth, cloud-like ride. Conclusion. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL is a perfect balance of power, design, and advanced technology. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the world of luxury cars, this Maybach SL is an exhilarating ride that honors its heritage while looking ahead. With high-end materials, smart features, and a driving experience that blends comfort and performance, the new SL stands in a class of its own.